Good morning. So today we're back at Holton, which is just outside Lancaster, and we've got another K-Rend property to do. So we've done a few on this street, and today this is what we're doing. So it's 3 stories, and doesn't look too bad on the front. Even the side doesn't look so bad, but it's when we get round to the back that you can see where it's really heavily stained. So this elevation up here, that's before it's been wet, so Sam's just wetting back here. And we'll do all the K-Rend and the stonework to get up on that balcony. You can see it goes quite dark when it's wet, so, and the red streaks, it's Trentifilia. And there's green algae just below the window bottoms. And then you can see black spot, which really there's mould and that on there. There's quite a lot going on this wall. But we'll put 2 treatments on and leave a biocide on it. So let's see how we get on with this one. So we finished this property now, and we're just swilling off the front. I'm not sure we can actually get into the back now. The chap's gone out and there's just locked the back gate, so let's just see. Oh no, it's still open. So you can see this was particularly bad. There's a slight mark below the window there, and that's water runoff, but this will get better as it fully dries out. But all the red staining's gone. And then the plinths at the bottom, they were particularly bad. They've all cleaned up. We cleaned the stonework. And then the gable, again, it was red up here. That's now gone. And then Sam's just rinsing off the front now. Hot water, 60 degrees. So, thanks for watching, and we've got quite a lot of work on at the moment, so there's going to be a lot more videos. If there's anything you particularly want to see, I mean, I can show you a bit in the van, but I mean, the machinery is the machinery, so that's what we've got. But if there's anything specifically you'd like to know, then please just ask. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and we'll see you on the next one.